So today I'm out at one of my rental properties and I am working on a screen issue. So I've gotten a lot of these over time, and most of the time I'll just actually rescreen it. I pull the screen and then take it back and rescreen it. But today I'm going to try something a little different. I heard of this project. It's called ScreenMend, and I'm going to see how it works. It looks like it's pretty easy to do, but I'm going to go through over how to use this, and we'll see if it works. All right, so essentially what this is just a charcoal patch. There's two screens in the box. It looks like it's pretty easy to install. You just take it out and you cut it, and then you put it over the hole and you heat it up. So I'm going to try that and we'll see how it works. All right, so there's the hole. Like I said, it's pretty small. It almost looks like somebody cut it out, but as long as the hole is smaller than the patch, you should be fine. Otherwise, you probably will need to rescreen it, and I've got another video on how to do that, which I'll link up above here. But we'll go ahead and put the patch on. All right, so like I said, it's pretty difficult to see the actual hole, but it's right there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my patch over the top of that, and I'm going to kind of get an idea how big I need it to be, and then I can actually cut it. And I don't have any scissors with me today, so I'm just using wire cutters. All right, so now I got my patch cut out. As you can see, that'll go right over the top. Now, when you cut this, you also want to leave yourself at least a ½ inch on all sides, just to make sure that it holds properly and that it seals down. All right, next I'm just going to take my patch, put it over here like that. Then I'm going to take my heat gun here, and you can use a hair dryer. That'll work too, but I just have a heat gun. And we're going to hold it about 1 inch away. I'm just going to melt it on there. As you can see, it kind of it's pretty quick. Now it is sticky right there, so if someone goes to the other side of the window and puts something there, it will stick. So you want to definitely just want to let it dry for a while before anybody touches it. All right, I guess we'll see how long that lasts. So as always, thanks for watching. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you click that link below and become one, and we'll catch you on the next one.